Math 24 students. It's the beginning of week 6 of the semester. I just wanted to point out that I've added a link on the home page for the class with the Zoom videos, and I'll let you know when I update it and which quick quiz is the most recent addition to the page. So what I'm putting on that page is links to the Zoom recordings for the quick quiz solutions, and I'm adding them to the top. So the most recent one will be at the top of the page. So that's an additional resource for you. I just want to make sure you know where to find those. And then on the home page also, each week I add a button that takes you right to the current week's module. And it has all the resources that you need for this week for class. So every week there'll be 2 quick quizzes and a shine quiz, discussion board and journal, unless there's a test. And when there's a test, I don't also do a shine quiz. Now this week, the thing that's different in the module is the submit text test corrections. So I have reopened the test submission area, and you are able to look at the annotations that I've made on your test and do 1 time of revision and resubmit it, and I'll regrade it and add to your score. So this is a great opportunity to get some more points on a high value assignment. So the other assignments, I want to really encourage you to start at least 2 days before they're due and not wait until the day they're due. It's just good work habit to start before things are due in case issues come up, you have technology problems, you need to ask a question. Give yourself time to do that, and I think you'll find you're much less stressed. So the quick quizzes and the shine quiz, you have a discussion board to do and a journal, and then 2 homework assignments, and the solutions are here. So please check the solutions before you submit a homework assignment. I want you to be checking your own work before you submit it, and make sure you at least have the correct answers and have looked at the solutions. And then there are course pack notes for section 11.1. It's a long section because it has a lot of algebra review built in. So it has 4 videos. I try to keep the videos to 15 minutes or less so it's not so fatiguing. So the lecture is divided into 4 pieces, and it goes along with these course pack notes. I'm hoping at this point that you've purchased the paper course pack notes from the bookstore, but if that's not feasible, then here is the downloadable version, and you can either print it or download it onto your machine and have the notes that go along with those videos that I've created. And that Canvas is taking a minute to collapse the menus again. So we'll wait. I don't know about you, but my Canvas is kind of slow sometimes. So then the other thing I've added here is a factoring worksheet. So this is just practice doing some factoring, and it's all different kinds of factoring techniques that you need to be able to do proficiently, and it has answers with it. So it's just a little practice sheet if you need some mixed practice. And then, as always, the PowerPoint slides produced by the publisher. So please let me know what I can do to help this week. I am requiring you to submit homework assignments. As you know, that can be very little work, and just submit something. I want you to get in the habit of submitting the homework. So if you have not yet submitted things from previous weeks, please let me know and I can reopen those assignments. But please let me know when you have the work ready to submit. Otherwise, I don't know how long to leave it open for. So let me know what I can do to help you get any late work done. You can always revise work and resubmit it. And in my mind, it's a conversation. You turn something in, I give you some feedback on how to improve it. You say, oh, okay, let me do that. And then you submit it again. And sometimes a different problem crops up when that happens. And then I'm just happy to rework the feedback and give it back to you again. And then you can revise. And I don't mind doing that several times if that's what it takes. So please take advantage of that. There is no too late for normal work. But these test corrections, I want you to know what your grade is, and the longer the test correction hangs out there as not done yet, it has a big impact on your grade. So I want you to know how you're doing at a certain date. So next Saturday night is when I want to have the test correction submitted, and this window will close after that time. So please take advantage of that opportunity and ask if you have any questions about my comments. So have a great week. Hope to see you in the Zoom.